OFM Sport.
Frans, hard luck with tonight. There were moments where you guys could have probably have won this game in the second half in particular, but that first half, I think you guys probably just let yourself too much to do like catch-up rugby.
Yes, Moxie. It is disappointing. I think all of us wanted to win tonight. I think we'll have a look at the videos and whatever and just figure it out and be better next week.
But it's basic errors that hurt you guys tonight. But probably rather now, early in the season, and something that you guys can build on going forward and correct.
Yeah, look, I think last year we got physically dominated by Boland and a couple of other teams. So I think for me the positive out of everything tonight was second half we dominated them. The tries they scored was off our mistakes and silly mistakes. So I'm not happy because we lost. So I'm not happy. But at least physically wise and stuff, it was a massive step up in the second half. We just need to start like that.
And physicality, you know, I thought Saunders' physicality was exceptional in the number 12 jersey, and you could see that with that try he scored. You know, it was almost brute strength for him to get over there. So that must be quite a pleasing sign, especially because Cheetahs over the last 2 years have struggled a bit in the midfield.
Yeah, definitely. I think squad-wise we are better. We have an awesome squad. And I think myself and Pani, we believe in the squad and Tian as well. So, but unfortunately, it's a team sport, and like Chucky and Zander, they can play as well as they want to. If we're all not on the same page, then the results won't come. We need to be on the same page and execute the plan.
And Chucky, just I thought the pack did really well tonight. You guys who had the upper hand in the scrums, I thought you outmuscled them. So it must be a little bit gut-wrenching that after all that hard work, you just weren't able to get over the line.
Yeah, most definitely. I think, but like Frans said, there's a bigger picture as well. Obviously, it's the first game of the season. Might get a little bit tired after a few mauls and scrums, but it's something that we definitely have to work on. The backs rely on us, and if it comes down to us, then we put up our hand and we stick in the fight, John.
How important was it for the squad to have learned something tonight going forward?
Definitely. I think it's important to learn out of these games. Like you said, silly basic mistakes will cost you, and that's when other teams get their tails in the air and fire off that. So they get energy of that, and we have to limit our mistakes and basic errors. Then we'll be much better.
Ons het nice wees, dit was by ons 'n bietjie sonder energie was en Prins het 3 net voor rus tyd 'n bietjie vonk gegee en toe die klomp drywe terug in die game. Dit moet daai terugweg moet goed wees so trots maak of.
Ja, maar ek dink waarmee ons sukkel en is definitely soos dis ons coaches moet dit uitfigure. Ons sukkel om of ons begin baie goed en dan na halftyd dip ons of ons begin sleg en dan tel ons dit op. So iewers moet ons iets uitfigure. Maar luister, ons het laas jaar ook so begin en ons het op die ouene van die SA Cup bitter goeie rugby gespeel en ons was unlucky om teen Griquas te verloor laas jaar daai kant by hulle en so ja, ons moet maar vat wat ons kan die week en die groot ding is net ons moet volgende week beter wees. En ons moet hom aanhou die trappies klim.
Met die terugweg het dit mooi geloop en was op pad en toe daai afstorm was weer 'n bietjie verligting aan daai kant.
Ja, ek dink dit was ek dink mentally sal dit sê net maar 14 punte of 'n 20 punte swing wees vir 'n ou. Ek dink ons het net lekker momentum gebou en dit so ietsie gebeur, maar ons kan so aanhou praat oor klomp goed, daai 3 dae by die lyn staan verby. Ek meen dis ja, so ons moet ons goedjies uitsort gou die week. Maar luister, ek dink ek was frustreerd en kwaai, was omdat dit vir my persoonlik is. Verstaan? So daar's ander goed. Ek meen Hawie hulle was hier, Shaal hulle was hier so gewees, hulle het my gecoach. Nou is hulle by Boland, so daar is 'n tipe van 'n persoonlike ding en dit gaan nie net oor my nie. Ek dink as ons die tweede helfte gaan opsom en deur dit kyk, Ek meen ons het nou getraai om goed mooi te doen, ons moet rus gee en ons moet reg wees vir games en ons moet so tussendeur als tweede helfte ons was meer fisies, ons het hulle gehad en ek is happy met dit. So as ons in 'n semifinal kom en ons kan ons foute en goed bietjie uitsny, ja.
What does it take this on the chin? Learn the lessons like Chucky mentioned now and go to Posh next week and put in a proper, solid performance just to, almost build the confidence before you guys play back here in 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, no, definitely. I think we need a proper performance next week. But I mean, the second half was proper. So we just need to keep on doing what we're doing and the results will come. We're going to stick to our plans and to what we want to do and achieve in the SA Cup and go from there. Our day will come. That's all I want to say.
Prince, did he pick up a niggle or was it a strategic move to replace him?
Yeah, I think I wanted Blom on the field. I think over the last couple of months since we got back from EPCR, he's been training well, Blomme, and he's been at training. It brings that experience to the back line, and I just felt we needed him on the pitch. Nothing personal, nothing against Princey. Princey was good for us in how many games, so yeah, that's all.
Yeah, so it was just a maturity.
Yeah, it was just I needed Blomme on the pitch.
Toe jy vroeg afkom toe was heel gewoon seer.
Nee, ons is fine. Is net tof van nou. Maar ek meen daar's Kirkley. Wat het Kirkley vanaand verkeerd gedoen? Hy het geduik en hy jol en ek dink hy surprise my elke dag as hy speel. So luister, ek's moer vir trots, soos ek sê, is persoonlik, dis hoekom ek kwaad is, maar dit gaan nie net oor my nie. Dit gaan oor die span en oor die Vrystaat en ons moet beter wees volgende week.
Okay.